So today, just want to focus on 1 to 10, how to count 1 to 10 in the Ogun language. So now let's dive in. 1 in Ogun language is called Dupo or Ude. So 2 is called Awi. 3 is called Aton. Listen to it very well. Aton. 4 is called Ene. Ene. 5 is called Aton. Aton. 6 is called Chidupo. 6 is called Chidupo. 7 is called Chiawi. Chiawi. The way you pronounce it is going to be very fast. Chiawi. 8 is called Chiaton. Chiaton. Then 9 is called Chiene. And 10 is called Ao. Ao. 10. Next video, we're going to continue from 11 upward. Alright. So until we meet next time, I remain Koja Amos Mauklo. Ndomi no biche gunubile. Me to hold on no to Koja Amos Mauklo. Bakomiti humbo. Nothing to people as Zaigbe Toji. Do even no ma in the hello hand of it. They drown. Don't lay no here nuto Benedo. Kakaba Minano Plato with Egun is Zambi.